Okay, y'all, my first video. YouTube. Got this box here. I'm doing an unboxing. You see it says Fragile on it. Most of y'all probably figure out what it is. Trying to get this done here. My makeshift studio here. Don't know how this is going to turn out. Professional wrap job that is done by Miss Rue. Thank you. Very nice. Looks like it was very well securely done. There. The sides. I'd like to thank everybody who's watching, everybody who's supported. Alright, here we go. A lot of paper. Slide down. Very well padded. You'd be happy to know that it made it Rue-Proo, and that it made it safe and sound appears. And this is it. Real Estate Whisperer cup that I got won. This thing is no joke. I mean, wow. Very nice. Thank you so much, Rue-Crew, and I cannot wait to be able to play again, maybe win another one, and be able to pass it on to somebody else, paying it forward. Thank you so much for tuning in. Ciao for now.